Welcome to my channel. This is me Fatma Khan here and you are watching Find Color with Fatma Khan. In today's video, I'm going to work on my canvas which I've already painted with red. I just wanted to paint something like literally anything to just fill my canvas. And as you can see, I've already sketched out my landscape which I'm going to paint on my canvas because I was so nervous about what I should paint on this red background. And here I am starting with some grass, and as I'm gonna paint a sunset, so I'm going to add darker and more darker shades on my canvas. Like this is going to be all black. Okay, I'm just kidding, this is not the case. Let's talk about the colors. I have used a bit of green and lots of black to make it more darker, and as I'm going further away, I'm adding more black. Before completing the whole video, just do me a favor, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and join the party. Here I am almost done with all my land pieces with a bit of green, and I'm going to work on my sky now, and I'm taking start with the sunlight. I think I should have done with the less brighter shades, but I wanted to do with at least something bright because the whole canvas was just loaded with the darker and the deeper shades, so I wanted to do something bright and light. Actually, what it does is it gives a more balanced and brighter look to the landscape, and I think that makes it look more natural. Here I'm starting with my clouds, and I'm still sticking to the warmer tones as I am painting the late sunset, so this is not a good idea to jump on the cooler tones. And here I'm done with the first layer of my paints. Not the first, actually second, because the first was actually that red background. Make it sure that the previous layer of your painting is fully dried before you add another layer. Otherwise, if you paint on the semi-dried acrylic painting especially, chances are very huge that your brush strokes will just pull off the previous paint, and this will make the painting worse and very difficult to handle. As you can see here, a sharp horizontal line is just crucial to separate your land and the sky in your landscape. I'm done with my watermark and I'm making it more like floating with my fan brush. I'm not so happy with the shades of my clouds, so I'm going to add some darker shades to my clouds to make it more like prominent. I'm not so happy with my clouds again, so I'm going to add another layer of my paint. Let's see how it turns out. Never stress yourself to make a perfect painting, because once it's all done, everything is gonna look just perfect. It's your creation, it's your idea, just do whatever you want to. So here I am, I'm Fatma Khan, painting this landscape painting with acrylic paints on canvas. I just try to teach you what I have been taught by my experiences, and I hope you will try this very soon by yourself. I'm done with my sky and I'm fairly happy with this one. Time for some long grass stems, as I want to cover my water area a bit because I am really not loving it, not at all. After my grass and all my paintings, I just did some highlights and some clear coat. I really hope you enjoyed my video. Just do me a favor if you did. Like and subscribe to my channel. Like the video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Also comment down below what you think about this painting. I would just love to know. Very soon we will meet in the next video. Until then, take very good care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.